Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to refer friends and earn money on Remitly. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, click on the My Remitly at the bottom of the screen, and then you can see the Refer Friends option. So get a $20 reward for every successful referral. Your referred friends will pay zero fees and get $20 of their first transfer when they send $100 or more. And you can see that you can send this invitation through email messages, copy to clipboard, and then to send WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Facebook, and there is more. If you click on the more, will appear your apps on your phone. And in this video, I hope that you found useful information. If so, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.